Hi, welcome to Kaunindia Institute for Competitive Studies. This is one more important essay topic regarding your National Education Policy 2020-20, Educating New India. So, this topic comes under your contemporary issues. So, you have to cover like introduction, body of the essay, and the conclusion for this essay. And I have given all the important point-wise notes in the upcoming slides. So, write and practice this essay. And if anyone are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. So this is the introduction about this essay. Like India has a long history of holistic education. Education is an ancient India was concerned not just with the acquisition of knowledge for living life in this world, but for complete realization and liberation of the self from the worldly shackles. Education in India got enriched through the mixing of culture that came to India from invasions till the arrival of British. Realizing the value of education as an important tool in life building and character building. After independence, several initiatives were taken and are still being taken in arena of education. The new education policy has been launched to provide accessible, equitable, and affordable education to all without any discrimination and consideration of their socio-economic background. Principles of new education policy. The new education policy of 2020 is based on the following principles. First one is like flexibility. It seeks to provide flexibility for learners to choose their learning trajectory and choose their own path according to their own talent. So multidisciplinary to provide holistic education across all spectrums such as science, social science, arts, humanities, sports, etc. Ethical and constitutional values. It aims to inculcate values of empathy, respect for others, cleanliness, adequate scientific temper, liberty, responsibility, equality, and justice. Equity and inclusion. It will be the aim of all educational decisions to ensure that all the students are able to thrive in the education system. Professional values. All the teachers and the educators will be recruited through a rigorous preparations. There will be emphasis on preparation, continuous professional development, positive working environment, and service development. Education as fundamental rights. Education is a public service and not a commercial activity. It should be available to all with an adequate quality. There shall be strong and sustainable investments in a vibrant public education system as well as an ethical and philanthropic private system. Thus, with the application of these principles, the policy aims to build a globally excellent education system rooted in Indian ethos and aligned with the goal of a brilliant India. This will transform India into a global superpower. So components of new education policies are, so the new policy aims to introduce several changes in the Indian education system from school to the college level. It includes revamping the following systems of education. So first one is like schooling. The policy states that 85% of the child's brain development occurs prior to the age of 6 years. Thus, early childhood learning is of utmost priority. Medium of instructions. The policy provides that medium of instruction in school shall be the mother language till at least the class 5th, but preferably till class 8th and beyond. This will improve the learning at school level and children will be better able to understand the subjects that they will study. In higher education, the GRAS enrollment ratio will be raised to 50% by 2035. From the current data, that is 26.3%, the policy also provides for a multidisciplinary higher education framework with portable credits and multiple exist with certificates, diploma and degrees. The aim of university education will be develop good, well-rounded and creative individuals. Adult education. Literacy and basic education opens up a whole new world of professional, civics, economic and lifelong learning opportunities for individuals that enable them to progress personally and professionally. An outstanding adult education curriculum framework will be developed by a new and well-supported institutions under NCERT. Promoting Indian art and culture. The preservation and promotion of India's culture wealth will be considered as high priority for the country. Culture awareness is important for the individuals as well as in order to provide him with a sense of identity, belonging, as well as an appreciation of other cultures and identities. How will it improve education in India? The new education policy will give an importance to the students' practical knowledge and skills instead of pushing them towards rote learning. It is going to help the students develop scientific temper from a very young age. Improving early access to education and childcare will strengthen the foundation of children's education and make them better humans. Teacher educations will be given a part. It will ensure that the right teachers teaches the students. Increasing technology use will be able to bridge the gap in the exciting system. Adult education is going to develop a faster pace. Vocational education for adults will enable them to get incorporated in new world which requires learning of new skills for a better and prosperous future. The focus of learning through a mother tongue will lead to intensive development of children at an early age. The new education policy is a step in the right direction. It focuses on critical thinking, experiential learning, interactive classrooms, integrated pedagogy, and competency based education. Inclusive digital education serves as an empowering component of the policy. If investment in the education system will be made and all the states cooperate in fulfilling the aspirants mentioned in the policy, India will able to reap the benefits of the young demography. That is, national education policy could shape the future of education across India through the robust education system. India will take a gain step towards establishing itself as it is a knowledge of superpower. So this completes your essay conclusion. So make a notes of all the different points I have given in this video and practiced well. Thank you.